Climate change is largely caused by an increase in heat-trapping greenhouse gas emissions resulting from human activities. So it's important to reduce our emissions as much and as fast as possible, and that's the approach that Council is taking. As part of our climate solution strategy, we've committed to be part of the solution for climate change mitigation by targeting carbon neutrality for all Council operations that we have direct control over, including minimising fossil fuel use in our fleet, electricity we use and gas appliances we own. Reducing emissions from Council influence activities or Scope 3 emissions, and supporting our community to reduce their emissions too. Here are some examples of great projects that we've undertaken with mitigation in mind this year.
To date, we've installed 327 kilowatts of solar power and 120 kilowatts per hour of battery storage across Council assets to help us maximise on-site renewable energy generation and reduce reliance on fossil fuel generated electricity.
We are constantly looking at innovative ways to do what we do, like challenging how roads are built and supposed to look in order to minimise construction waste, increase greenery and optimise community comfort.
We've also embedded environmentally sustainable design into our latest sustainable building, Waiaku. This award-winning facility has been designed and constructed to have a 40% reduced electricity and water usage while ensuring internal comfort all year round.
We believe in leading by example, and one of the ways we know we can reduce our emissions is to decarbonize our fleet. We are currently exploring opportunities to minimize emission to trial of electric vehicles and ensuring we have the right infrastructure in place in anticipation of this change.
Have you noticed changes in waste collection at Council events like the Moonlight Market? Providing compostable takeaway containers at events has significantly reduced waste to landfill. We have loved working with you, our community, and all our event vendors to make this happen. And we are so proud of our collective effort to make Campbelltown a better place to live, play and work. I am part of the solution.
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 I am part of the solution.